Hello and welcome to the first in a series of videos where we're going to be creating our own scrolling game. It leans upon some of the features which you can find in the scrolling demo, which comes built with Scratch 1.4, and that's what we're going to use as our starting point. So you can see in Scratch at the moment I have literally just got nothing. We haven't even got Scratch Cat. What we're going to do to begin with is set the background for what we're going to be doing. So I've just clicked onto the stage, into background. I'm going to paint a background, and at this point I'd like to apologise for my artistic or lack of artistic skills. What we're going to do is all the time when we're working through this video is make sure zoom out is set as furthest out so we can see the entire thing of what's happening. And we are going to set ourselves a blue background, and also we are going to add ourselves some white clouds. And again, this is where I apologise for my lack of artistic skills. And fill these in. So now we've got two clouds which will be there the whole time. What we're now going to be doing and looking at in this video is adding our terrain, adding our land masses for where our superhero is going to be moving along. So again, I'm going to add a sprite, I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to select a green and just draw a landmass and then fill it in. And I'm going to pull this down, and there we have him, just down to the ground. And I'm going to do the same thing again a couple of times. So click onto a new sprite, draw the landmass, but you can see here I'm zoomed in, so I'm in the second stage, twice zoom in. If I zoom out, you can see that that doesn't look too good, so I'm going to undo that, and then I'm just going to add it again and fill it in again. Always make sure you're zoomed out as much as possible. And again, I'm going to bring that down, and then I'm going to create one more sprite, zoom myself out. This one is going to have a little bit of a hill and then back down, and also it's going to have a blob there and a blob there. And again, all I'm going to do is fill those in, but you can see from there the whole screen's gone green. If you have a look, you can see that, for example, down here, if I just zoom in a little bit, that it's not gone all the way across. So if I just go over this bit again, and now I fill it in, you can see that it's all there. I'm just filling my two land masses from there, and again I'm just going to do exactly the same and bring them down. So from this point we have the layout of our land, what we're going to be using, and in the future video we're going to bring in the X variable and we're going to start to see how we can get our superhero moving around. Stay tuned for episode 2.